Miss Tier is going to show you the expanded form and expanded notation of a number up to the 100,000th place. So the first thing that Miss Tier does is draw her place value chart. So I have my ones place, my tens place, my hundreds place, my thousands place, my 10,000s place, and now my 100,000s place. I make sure I put my comma where it says 1,000, and I put my number in. I have 173,258. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at the expanded form. I start in the greatest place again. Oh, Miss Tier's going to put my number values, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, and 100,000s. Okay, so I start in the greatest place first. I have 100,000, so that tells me the value of my 100,000th place is 100,000 plus. Then I move to my 10,000th place, and I have 7 10,000s. So I need to go 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 40,000, 50,000, 60,000, 70,000. Making sure I'm putting my comma in the correct place. Then I move to my thousands place. I have 3 thousands. So I go 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 to find the value. And put my plus sign. Then I move to my hundreds place. I have 2 100s. So I have 100, 200 is the value of my hundreds place. Then I move to my tens place, and I have 5 tens. So the value of my tens place is going to be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Put my plus sign, and then I move to my ones place, and I have 8 ones. So the value of my ones place is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And remember, we're still decomposing our number. Okay, so I have 100,000 plus 70,000 plus 3,000 plus 200 plus 50 plus 8. Then I look at the expanded notation form. Okay. I also start in the greatest place first. So I go to the 100,000s place, and that tells me I have one group of 100,000. So I have my parentheses, one group of 100,000, plus I move to my 10,000s place. I have 7 groups of 10,000, parentheses, 7 groups of 10,000, plus, then I move to my thousands place. I have 3 groups of 1,000, parentheses, 3 groups of 1,000. Then I move to my hundreds place, and I have 2 groups of 100. Plus, then I move to my tens place, and I have 5 groups of 10. So I have 5 groups of 10. I put that in parentheses as well. Plus, I move to my ones place, and I have 8 groups of 1. So I have parentheses 8 groups of 1. So boys and girls, that's how you write a number to the 100,000s place in expanded form and expanded notation. If you have any questions, please make sure that you contact your teacher to help you. Thank you.